Plate number 5. Use of minerals and stones in everyday life. Animate and inanimate nature are intimately linked. Neither plants, animals, fungi, bacteria nor humans would exist without inanimate nature. Along with sun, water and air, stones are part of inanimate nature. On this plate you can discover where you can find stones in your everyday life. You will be surprised where they are found and used. In the bottom right-hand corner of the plate, you will find a frame containing a QR code. You can scan it with your mobile phone and listen to the description of this plate whenever you want. Feel the apartment building first. It is the large object at the bottom of the plate. To build a house you need sand, gravel, clay and limestone. Can you feel the 5 steps to the front door? Steps are usually made of cement. Cement is a mixture of different ground stones, such as limestone and gypsum. You are standing in front of the front door, which is usually made of plastic. But be careful, plastic is made from oil. Oil is not a mineral, but it is hidden deep underground between different types of rock. On the left side of the house, you can feel 2 narrow, tall windows. Their glass is made of a very special mineral, quartz. The wall could be brick. It might be covered with granite, marble or slate on the outside. Walls and ceilings are often made of plasterboard. This requires gypsum plaster. Mineral elements provide colored walls. When you paint a wall, you are simply applying a liquid solution of minerals with a brush, which gradually dries. A house must be able to retain heat well, otherwise it is a waste of energy. For thermal insulation, there are insulating materials that line the walls. They act like functional sportswear, keeping you warm in winter and cool in summer. They are made from basalt rock, for example. Interior walls and ceilings are often covered with plasterboard. Prefabricated plasterboard is quicker to build. The house has a pitched roof covered with tiles. These are made from baked clay, loam and materials containing clay. Now fill the roof in the right part of the relief and move your fingers up to the chimney. Under the roof you will find a large garage door with a car parked in front of it. Rubber car tires contain the mineral quartz in the form of silica as a filler. Soapstone is also found in tires and some other car parts. And what about the car body? It is made of aluminium, magnesium or plastic. Some steel is also used. This is an alloy made from iron ore. Iron ore is most commonly found in nature in the form of minerals such as magnetite, hematite and siderite. Now let's play through an everyday life with all the rocks and minerals found in it. On the board you will find several small round plates with a relief on them. Place the tiles next to the plate. Find the object from the description and place it on the plate one by one. The day begins with the alarm clock. Its batteries contain lithium bromide, which is extracted from a mineral called lepidolite. Find the round alarm clock. It has 2 round bells. Place the clock on the plate. After getting up, it's off to the bathroom. Toothpaste is made up of water, abrasives, various colorings, and fluoride. Various fluoride compounds, derived from the mineral fluorite, protect teeth and prevent tooth decay. Medicines or vitamin pills often contain soapstone as a filler. Dietary supplements and ointments contain zinc in the form of zinc oxide. Can you find a toothbrush with an open tube of toothpaste? And can you find a pack of 16 pills with 4 pills already squeezed out? Put them on the plate too. Textbooks, exercise books, and other items made from paper have cellulose fibers made from wood as their main component. But minerals are also used in the manufacture of paper. Soapstone and quartz give paper certain properties, such as gloss. Pencils and crayons contain graphite lead. Depending on the softness of the graphite used, the lead can leave grey to black marks on the paper. Now find 3 pencils lying on top of a notebook. The pages of the notebook are perforated. The school bell rings. Lunch break at last. As you go to fetch your lunch from the school cafeteria, you reach for cutlery, plates, bowls, glasses and more. Ceramic crockery is made from gypsum. Lithium and quartz are also used to make ceramic and glass products. Remember, they come from lepidolite and silicon dioxide respectively. Cutlery is made of steel, stainless steel of course. Put all the kitchen utensils and containers on the plate. Getting thirsty. Mineral water is formed when surface water seeps deep into the Earth's crust and passes through various layers. As it travels, the water is enriched with minerals. Find the glass with the straw and place it on the plate. After school, you will be surrounded by minerals again. When you get on your bike, pick up a book and turn on a lamp, type on your mobile phone or swing in the garden. Many used objects contain tin, steel, aluminium, quartz, graphite and other mineral materials. Look for these items and place them on the plate. You are sure to find a bicycle, a reading lamp, a book and a mobile phone. All that is left is the soap. It lies on an oval dish. Return to the relief of the detached house, where you can feel a garden chair and a garden table. As well as wood, you can also use metals such as aluminium or iron. Remember all the objects you have placed on the plate. And these are just a few examples of where minerals and rocks are hidden. They are with us every day, around the clock. So we can say without a doubt that minerals and rocks are precious and necessary for our lives.